you guys? Thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1929 Ford Roadster. It's all steel. A little mishmash of everything on it. That's how they did them back in the day. I got Bill here, the owner. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Bill?
How are you?
Yeah, what a cool car.
Yeah,
I don't think I've ever seen anything like it, to be honest. So tell us about it.
29 Ford Roadster. It's a custom-made frame. It's a Z-channel frame. It's got a 392 HEMI in it out of a 57 Chrysler Imperial.
Cool, dual quad, Zoomies.
The tranny's also out of it's a Chrysler Imperial tranny.
Push button.
Push button transmission. The push buttons in it.
Electric fan up front.
Electric fans, yeah.
Big disc drum brakes up front. What are they from?
That's got the aluminums up front.
From a Buick?
Yes, Buick.
What year Buick?
Like a Buick Wildcat.
Wildcat, right? Back 65.
60s. Yeah.
Yeah, 66. Straight axle up front, the little leaf.
Yeah, that's got a 6-inch drop axle on it.
Sitting on Steelies.
And
Love those rear tires, man. Period slicks.
yeah,
The Pontiac hats.
The Pike Crush Cheetah slicks.
Mm-hmm.
In the brake lights, it says stop in them. We've got the lenses for them.
Very cool.
That's the rear bumper is custom. We made all that and had it chrome.
Very neat. Love the taillights too. They look Imperial. All steel body. Love the rake on it too. Very cool.
Yeah, it's got a. Let me just cut the 12-bolt Chevy Posi rear in it.
Cool. Thing cooks too. Gas tank's right there, I guess.
Yeah, that's the gas cap.
Neat.
It's right behind the seat.
Looks like a 30s steering wheel. Stewart Warner gauges. I love the Harley Davidson speedometer too. What a touch. Push button automatic transmission. The key is right there.
When you hit this,
Cool.
you hit it one way, it goes for regular horns. The other way is the Awooga horn.
That's great. How long have you guys owned it?
We built this car about 10 years ago.
Wow.
Maybe a little bit longer than 10.
Man, what a vision, dude. Your dad and you have such a great eye for this stuff.
Yeah, it's more my dad than me, to be honest with you.
He's good.
He's the visionary.
He's got it, hands down. Mechanical fuel pump. Those are dual quads, Edelbrocks. Oh, it's 650s.
Yeah.
Love the HEMI up front. Steel
Yeah, it's
heads.
got the old style Magneto coil, ignition coil, Mallory.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Very neat.
And the shocks in the front of the old style friction shock.
Oh. Oh, yeah, very cool.
And when the headlights are on, these actually work.
They're the turning signals?
Yeah.
Cool. Love the vented brakes up front. Very
Yeah.
cool. The scoop. Lights up front. Very neat. All steel too. A cool car. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. I like the braided line too, going up to the headlight cam.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. It's kind of what you would do back in the day, right?
Yep. Make it look as cool as you can.
Yeah, with stuff lying around the shop.
And stuff that, something that nobody else has.
Yeah, super unique. I love that it's steel too. Very cool.
We really don't even want to get rid of it, but we got so many projects and so much stuff.
Fire it up. I want to hear it. That's so cool with the Zoomies, right?
That's the original order at it from that motor.
Wow.
From 57 Imperial.
Love these tail lights too. The purple. So cool.
Yeah, it looks when I hit the brake.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Ah, cool. Says stop in it. That's neat. It's an aluminum intake up there too. Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 150 photos or so I took today on our websites, weebyautos.com. And thanks again for showing us your car, Bill.
Thank you.
Killer.